The actual river is steaming. I can feel the warmth from here.
So pretty. To watch all the algae just flow back and forth like that.
This is where you take
it's hot,
mushrooms.
but it's not like kill you hot.
No, you survive touching that.
I want to take a video of that algae too.
All the leaves are like calcifying or sulfurifying. It's like baking it.
I see a thing with a big fence around it. Maybe it's a bigger spring.
Let's go look.
Oh no. Oh no. No, buddy, get out of there. Oh, good job. Good job. You flew away. You made it out.
Look at that beautiful view. We're gonna go take the alternate route now. Chill at the little bench for a little bit. Excuse me. Just the sound alone is so therapeutic. Look at that, guys. Little birdies up there. World's largest mineral hot spring, fresh and easy just for you. Gloomy, but honestly just perfect. Oops. Yeah. Oh, there's a little goose in the parking lot crossing right now. Cute little fellow. He's just waddling. He's honking at the driver. You tell him, goose. Oh, this part is especially gorgeous. How beautiful.
Remember the game we were playing the other day with the hot springs and the monkeys?
Yeah.
That's what this reminded me of.
Yeah, the other day we went to meet up with some friends and we played this game where you pretend to go to different hot springs and restaurants, and Nate kept grabbing all the hot springs with monkeys in it. I wish we could find them here. But sadly, I don't think that's ever possible in North America ethically. I'm okay with that though. I'd rather have the monkeys happy. Look at that view. Gorgeous.
Your shoelace is sticking up.
Oh no, my shoelace. Oopsies. It's okay, I'll fix it at the bench up there, no? Thank you.
Bird tweaking right now.
Sounds beautiful. True serenity.
Yeah.
That beautiful little bridge. Look at that beautiful view. With all that steam. It's raining a little bit right now, but it kind of gives it a surrealness. Beautiful front river. The Jeep. In the distance, there's little birds taking a bath in the hot water as well. Ooh, it's actually kind of a cliff right here. I wasn't expecting it to like elevate.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Beautiful spot. Just look at that. I can actually look down there a little bit. There's actually writing in that hill over there, but I can't really read it. World's largest mineral hot spring.
Mineral hot spring.
Oh, okay, awesome. I couldn't read it from earlier.
Yeah.
I just love like the scenic view of the steam going up in the air.
You want to get a selfie? It's wonderful out here. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is.
It's choppy in the front, but in the back it's really free flowing.
Yeah. Is that wet all over the bench?
No. Actually, it kind of looks dry. I'm gonna sit. No, it's fine. It's a little moist.
It's a little wet.
But it's not that bad. It's not the end of the world.
No,
Hello, lovelies.
and we're back. I said I didn't have a ton of time for footage, but there's no cool stuff.
Oh, it's really stinky when you're downhill. That's the only downside, but it is beautiful when you're downside. Downhill, I guess. Downwind. We sat in a hot spring earlier, and I think it kind of cooked my organs. Wow, that's what it originally looked like right here. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's called Pleasant View.
I'll come back to Thermopolis and I'll like this mountain if you give me 10,000.
Ooh, here we go, guys. It's really steep. Oh, they have like little Christmas lights on, but they're not on right now. I wonder if they do it once it's nighttime.
Not up to you.
You're
This is
okay.
really pretty.
Yeah.
Big old river. And
It's really
all
steep.
Like, oh, that big ass. There's that huge crack. That would be dope for crack climbing if you could swing it and climb your way back up. Oh,
Look at that. Wow, guys. It does sway a little bit. I can feel myself bouncing, but it's a suspension bridge. What do you got, I guess? Oh, I wonder why it's swaying. It's a goblin. Oh no, it's a monkey. It's the hot spring monkey. He's rabid. Oh, someone put a lock up here. That's how romantic. We gotta buy a lock and put it up here.
I have so many locks at home. I could have,
It's okay. Dollar Tree, Family Dollar's right down the road. They're literally right next to each other. Oh wow, that's a beautiful little cliff right there. And then we get to see the hot springs from the other side. Oh wow, I almost left the best part.
oh, that looks fantastic.
That's beautiful and scary.
Super pretty. Hey, nature, you scary.
Well, if I get down there, we'll see.
Don't worry.
The other side of this was definitely worth the walk. I'm sorry if there is a change in resolution. I have no idea how to change the settings, so I killed the battery really fast with some high-res stuff. Hopefully this isn't too much of a difference. Just a family walking by. Look at this, guys. Get a little closer for the view. Gorgeous. Panoramic. Nice. Hell yeah. I'm in love with this.
Here you go. Hold this for me.
This is the source for the hot springs. One of them. It's like super blue, green, and teal. A little full. It's so beautiful though. Oh yeah.
Look at this guy.
Pure sulfur. This has been ongoing for over 100 years. TP Fountain. 1920, 1930, 1950s. I would have never guessed. Just looking for reference. That's insane. And it's actually steaming on the top too. We got little caves in there too. First little cave. The water's actually hot. Looks like a little coral reef by the mineral buildup. It's huge. When you're downhill, it smells. It's too cloudy to really properly show how steamy it is. Goodbye.